As you can see, the Zion leaders are marching into the Zion Prayer Movement Outreach permanent site at Ngorokpala, Imo State. So, Mr. Chairman, what do you have to tell us today as the leader march into
as you're marching into the ground? That is a ground for grace, divine favor, divine connection, divine contact, breakthrough, where miracles will be happening. Okay. So we are grateful to God Almighty for giving us this land. It's a great thing, and we are grateful to God for making us to be alive to witness such a great achievement for Zion Prayer Movement Outreach. God bless the leaders. God bless.
With your own POV point of view, do you think that we can be able to hang up program here this year?
For what we are saying, we are just beginning, and there's always need for us to plan. So when we plan, we won't fail. Okay. So for us to come instantly and start having a program on this ground, it will be a miracle. Okay. So there's need for us to plan ahead to achieve better results.
As you can see, we are on the right place.
This is the charity of Zion Mothers.
Yes.
We are here to inspect the work going on at the Zion Prayer Movement Outreach permanent site at Ngorokpala. So, as a leader of Zion Mothers, what do you have to tell the world?
Well, work is ongoing. Massive work.
Okay.
We are preparing for our 100 days.
Okay.
By Sunday, our special director now is here. We are good to go. Okay. From what we are seeing, we are good to go.
For what we are seeing, right?
Yeah, we are good to go.
Thank you. This is the chairman of Otimpu Group.
Yes.
In Zion Ministry.
Yes. All leaders are here live.
Okay.
All leaders are here.
So with your own POV, as you see it, do you think that we can be able to do program here this year, 2024? On our church?
I think. Yes. Yes.
So we are here by the special grace of God. Good morning, how are you? I am the chairman of Zion Youth.
I'm the Yoruba leaders.
Yeah.
The secretary to the fathers.
Yes.
Yeah.
So we are here today by the special grace of God. This is the privilege and opportunity given to us by our spiritual director in the person of Evangelical Bukan Oziobi. It's not easy for a whole Zion Prayer Movement Outreach to send the leaders to the permanent site. So we are here today. So you people will get the feedback at the end of this visitation. God bless you all.